There's an intense competition between these two cryptographic forms of money platforms, and it appears Dogecoin is removing Bitcoin's position as one of the highest digital currency markets capital. For the present video, we'll explain Dogecoin and why Dogecoin sets to replace Bitcoin. Before we start, click like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the ringer for notifications of our new forthcoming videos. We will first present the purpose of Dogecoin and its experiences. Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a digital money stage that is additionally equivalent to Bitcoin or Ethereum. Dogecoin's starting point was made as a carefree joke to the digital money insane people and made it a striking image. Ignoring the wellspring of the story, Dogecoin detonated its prominence this year and turned into the fifth biggest digital currency market capital. Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer are the makers of Dogecoin. Jackson Palmer utilizes a well-known image logo that includes a purposely incorrectly spelled word, Doge, which shows a Shiba Inu canine. A status was posted on Reddit's Wall Street Bet message about Dogecoin, where partners offer to push its value to something over the top in mid-2021. The detonating price of Dogecoin came to more than 5,000% this year. Tesla chief Elon Musk, one of the Dogecoin supporters, proclaimed that Dogecoin was one of his #1 digital forms of money and called it people's crypto, and vowed to plant a virtual Dogecoin token into the moon. In any case, Bill Wave's chief Pat likewise said that Dogecoin is beginning to deride Bitcoin. How does Dogecoin work? Blockchains also run Dogecoin, like Bitcoins and Ethereum, disseminating and getting the advanced record that stores exchanges. The holder conveyed indistinguishable duplicates of the Dogecoin blockchain record, wherein it is refreshing all new digital money exchanges. Dogecoins are additionally utilizing cryptography to stay all exchanges uncommonly. Diggers are individuals who utilized PCs to address complex numerical conditions, create exchanges, and record them on the Dogecoin's blockchain, called Confirmation of Work Framework. On preparing exchanges and helping blockchain, diggers will procure extra Dogecoins, which they can hold or offer to the open market. Utilizing Dogecoin on paying and purchasing items isn't that useful in saving stockpiling esteem. It is essential because there is no cap length on the number of Dogecoins created through mining, which implies its plan has incredibly extended this stage. Diggers are remunerated by the Dogecoin blockchain for their yield and procure many new Dogecoins day by day, making it hard at the cost to rise and hold Dogecoin over the long haul. Purchasing Dogecoins in a cryptographic money trade like Binance or Kraken requires an arrangement and a financed account with US dollars or digital currency. Coinbase doesn't uphold buys or any exchanges from Dogecoins. However, some online delegates, for example, Robinhood and TradeStation, permit financial brokers to buy Dogecoin for extra helpful resources like stocks, shared assets, and bonds. They don't give numerous cryptographic money trades, yet an exemption for Dogecoin, which is accessible. How to keep your Dogecoin safe. Like other digital currency stages, when you buy Dogecoins, one of the significant activities is to secure your speculation. Perhaps the ideal approach is to getting your deduction or moving it to a cryptographic money investment account or a computerized wallet. Wallets are known as an arrangement from online administrations offering cryptographic money trade. It would help ensure your advanced wallet with an exceptionally gotten secret key. Consistently recollect not to reuse passwords over your records, taking into account that your coins were at that point secure and kept outside on a trade. It's another method of shielding your records from hackers. Dogecoin as a fine investment. Since no lifetime limits for Dogecoins and a release of millions of new coins in the market every day, there is a little impetus that holds the digital currency's solidness. The framework lifetime cap causes the constantly rising Bitcoin esteem. However, a few allies like Pat White said that Dogecoins are less similar to Bitcoin and more like Dash or Bitcoin Dash, where their objective is spending cash. Would it be an excellent idea for you to put resources into Dogecoin? As indicated by some investors, interest in Dogecoin resembles some other type of digital money, and not to the one who approves of losing. The genuine justification for the development of Dogecoin is its low worth. Presently, the inquiry comes how right it is for people to put resources into this new buzz. One of the necessities is to first think about specific focuses, including authenticity, history of the task, market valuation, and so forth. The development of Dogecoin is its low worth, which is additionally helpful to show new investors crypto and essential standards of interest and supply on the lookout. The business is in its underlying stages, and the worth of the coin will develop given that a colossal number of individuals are joining the market each day, and they pick something at a low cost in the first place. Dogecoin is at a low value at this moment and significantly mainstream. Consequently, it is a decent wager. However, as a financial backer, one must realize when to exit from it. Now that we have explained Dogecoin, I will also explain what is Bitcoin before we go through the reasons why Dogecoin is setting to replace Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is virtual money that utilizes for purchasing and exchanging items or administrations. Each Bitcoin has input information put away in a computerized wallet on a PC gadget or application. Investors can send their Bitcoins to other advanced money wallets while utilizing it, where all exchanges are made, measured, and recorded through blockchain. For the Bitcoin framework to work, the investors make their personal computers create exchanges for everybody, utilizing all-around assembled PCs for bartering very convoluted Bitcoin esteems, which gives a prize to the proprietor for their income, is called mining. In any case, values are getting increasingly more inconvenient to stop variously produced Bitcoins. Why do people want to buy Bitcoin? Bitcoin supporters like the way that the public authority or banks didn't deal with this stage. All recorded Bitcoin exchanges have stayed obscured to anybody encased on the off chance that you educate them. One of the biggest Bitcoin supporters is Elon Musk, the world's most extravagant man, who went over the edge, changing his Twitter bio into #Bitcoin. Due to his repeatedly shown support, these were a significant effect on the ascending of Bitcoin's esteem. All Bitcoin exchanges were not that simple to duplicate, or, in any event, making a phony one on spending coins you don't claim. There is a chance of losing your Bitcoin wallet and forgetting about it constantly, and hackers that can get to your Bitcoin accounts. Bitcoin being public, but that's not what you think about publicity. It means every one of the exchanges is straightforward and accessible to the general population, regardless of whether individuals included are unknown. That implies nobody can cheat, trick, or in any case, extort the framework. They're additionally unchangeable, so once you get your Bitcoins or sell them, nobody can proceed to request their cash back. Having Bitcoin resembles having a vast number of individuals watching an advanced wallet, so it intends to ensure nobody attempts to take anything. Do you know that Bitcoin is decentralized? Bitcoin has workers worldwide and more than 10,000 crossing points monitoring every one of the exchanges occurring on the framework. Also, that is significant because it implies that different workers can move on if something happens to one of the workers or convergences. It additionally means attempting to hack into one of the workers is inconsequential. There's nothing there you could take that other crossing points and workers couldn't forestall, except if you end up controlling 51% of the convergences. What's more, presently, we're done about Bitcoin and Dogecoin. We will directly clarify the competition between these two platforms. You can see the motivation behind why Dogecoin resembled supplanting Bitcoin in its position. Dogecoin has a couple of significant hole matches to Bitcoin. Dogecoins are quicker and open for excavators to complete numerical conditions that total and record changes, making Dogecoin a touch more coherent in preparing installments. Like Gary DeWall from Catton's Financial Markets Chair and Regulation, one of the platform's supporters mentioned that it requires 10 minutes for the interaction to approve new squares on the Bitcoin blockchain, while it requires just a single moment on the Dogecoin blockchain. Another phenomenal uniqueness is a genuinely mind-blowing absence cap on the quantity of Dogecoins that can make. In contrast, Bitcoin's lifetime cap of 21 million restricts the conceivable number of coins produced, which implies excavators are needed to work more enthusiastically and longer extra time to procure. It likewise helps Bitcoin's ability to keep and to build its worth after some time. These cryptocurrency platforms have a digital ledger that records and stores transactions called the blockchain. These cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin are using their kind of blockchains, which means transactions from the Bitcoin network are entirely independent of the Dogecoin network. The set of procedures secures transactions on both the Bitcoin and Dogecoin networks, known as proof-of-work systems. They are hardly performing to connect the computers to get faster, which are designed to adjust and make confirming transactions more complex, and consider it a future verification of security transactions of the platform. On the Bitcoin network, the proof-of-work system is the SHA-256 hashing algorithm, while the Dogecoin network is using the script hashing algorithm. Take note that the device is specially designed only for SHA-256 hashing, will not work with transactions you will generate through the Dogecoin network, which uses script and vice versa. On the Bitcoin and Dogecoin organizations, Diggers remunerates for assisting the stage with confirming and secure their exchanges. It is a way toward producing coin esteems. On the Bitcoin organization, it can create an award like clockwork and uncover 25 Bitcoins. While the Dogecoin organization, the prize, is presently creating 125,000 Dogecoins consistently. Coins will rise and be made inconclusively in the Dogecoin organization, which is an equivalent to Bitcoin. The money won't proceed inconclusively on a Bitcoin network and has covered at 21 million Bitcoins. What would you be able to say about Bitcoin and Dogecoin? Will Dogecoin replace Bitcoin in its position? Or, on the other hand, Bitcoin will battle for its rank? Let me know in your comments below. However, before this video closes, kindly remember to click like, share, subscribe to our channel, and hit the chime for notices of our new videos to upload.